For this lab, you are given this source code. If we run the source code, let's see what we have. We have a quiz. And the instructions, posted the link on LIA. So as you can see here, we have three parts to do. So the first part state that for this web page, you have to check if the answer people click on is the right answer. You have 5 questions, and in the first part, you have to create 5 functions. So it's going to be one function per question to check if the answer is right or not. You have to create one script, internal script, that is going to be in the script, you are going to write a function that is going to be attached to the click event of the radio buttons. So I'm going to give you the first example, or the example for question number 1. You have to continue until question number 5. So your answers, as you have 3 parts, your answers are going to be creating a copy of this file. So I'm going to copy this one, copy paste, and I'm going to change the name, rename, and this will be part 1. So I'm going to call it a pilot quiz 1. So I don't modify the original. So let me stop the running because it was showing this one. Now I want to show number 1. Let's close this and start debugging. Okay, so now I am still in pilot quiz. Okay, let's close this, close number 1 here. Well, if you cannot see it, just add number 1 here at the end. Okay, so this is number 1. Okay, so you have to create the functions for adding JavaScript code. Remember just to add the script tag. And in the script tag, you have a type attribute. The type attribute is text / JavaScript. Then we are going to create one function. So when you create a function, you just uh, write the keyword function and the name of the function. So an appropriate name could be check Q1 for question 1. So I open and close the curly brackets of the function. So I'm going to write here the coding of this function. And I need to send one value, one parameter. So if the person clicks on option A, I need to know what option was clicked. So I need sorry, here it's not a string, here is a parameter. So I need to have one parameter. Maybe I'm going to call it answer. Answer. Okay, so I'm going to check if the answer is equal to value A that will be the right answer. So I'm going to, in the instructions said that you have to show a pop-up that could be an alert saying the text, right answer, right answer, that's it, else just copy paste wrong answer. Okay, but here I just create the function. I haven't called it. To call it, I need to attach one event to the radio button. So when the user clicks on the radio button, the event is going to be triggered. So you can see here, I have nothing yet because I haven't attached the event. So on click event, I'm going to call my function check Q1 with the value A. Okay, so here I'm calling the function with a value. So the value is going to be passed to this function here. So the parameter answer is going to have the value A in this case. If A is equal to A, it's going to pop up this alert. Okay, let's check if works. So you can see I click on option A, the right is answer. If I click in option B, it's not going to check anything because I haven't attached the event here to the option B, neither C. Okay, so what I have to do is just on click event on option B, check question one, but with option B. So if I refresh here, if I click here in option B, is the wrong answer. And the same for option C. But I have to send the option C here. Okay, so if we check this one, it's working. So C is wrong, B is wrong, and A is right. Okay, so now you have to do similar like this. Create a function, call it check Q2, and don't forget to attach the event in the radio button. So when you click on the radio button, it's going to call the right function. In this case will be Q2. And the right answer for Q2 is this one, is C. So you have to compare with the right answer. C for Q2, for number 3 is B, and so on. You have here marked which one is the right answer.